everyone, so we are back with our phonics worksheet video. I have made this DIY worksheets for learning the sight words. So sight words are the words which do not follow the phonics rules, so the kids have to by heart it as it is. So for making it a little interesting, you need to make some worksheets or little games to play with so that the kids will find it a little interesting and hands-on to do. So let's start with the activity worksheet. So first one is rainbow writing. I have written some words and here is the dice number. So the kid has to throw the dice and see the number. It's 1. So 1 is so. So first we can tell the word so and then the kids can write it here using red color. Next again she will throw the dice and 5. So 5 is do. So they have to write the do with blue color. We can tell the word, they can write it. So this activity gives very good for kids writing practice and reading the sight words and by hearting the sight words in a very fun and interesting and simple game to play with writing with colors. Next one is again sight word practice with colors. So here the kid can first try to read the sentence and then the sight word the is blue color. So like this she has to highlight it and is pink color. So highlight with pink. Next second word sentence she can read. So she is red color. So like this he is green and is pink color. So like this the kids will practice phonics sight words. Next one is for a sight word practice. So if the sight word is a little difficult for kids to learn, so you can make this worksheet for every sight word and trace. The first will be trace. So the kids can trace it and then write it in this box SAID and build it. So in each square they will write the letter SAID and then find it. So they can circle the word from the list of words. And the last one is cut and build the word. So they have to cut each letter and then build it separately SAID. So this will all help kids to practice sight word. If the sight words are a little bigger like away, said, so these are little difficult for kids to by heart. So making such worksheets will surely help them learn the sight words. Next one is again activity with colors. So color the choo-choo train. So here I have written some sight words and I have written a color for every word. U is red color, green is into is green color. So like this she has to color it. So my will be pink color. So she has to color the whole square with pink color and into with green color. Like this it will be a nice activity for coloring and learning sight word. The last activity here is for sight words go, V and is. So wherever there will be go, she has to color the petals with red color. V she has to color with green color and is she has to color with pink color. So these were the activities for practicing sight words. So these are very fun and interesting activities and DIY as always. You can make this within 5 minutes and kids will surely enjoy doing these activities and also learn the sight words along with it. So yeah, see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.